America may be divided when it comes to the presidential election, but in other news, showing a greater sense of unity in the States are the couples who took part in the North American wife-carrying competition. 44 couples competed in the 17th annual contest in Maine, crossing hurdles and battling with the elements on the 278 obstacle course. And it was Elliot Story and his very understanding wife, Gianna, who were crowned the champions with a time of 59.18 seconds. And what do you get for hauling around your spouse? 11 cases of Goose Island Oktoberfest beer and 5 times Gianna's weight in cash, which came to a healthy $665, which should carry them through for a little while. The strong couple have qualified to compete in the World Championship in Finland. A great feat for any wife carrier without getting too carried away.
Engine ignition. Lift off.
If you don't represent women in politics,